Alright, it's time to bring in the mountains. We've prepped out our model. So you'll notice up at the top we've got one tab up here, and it's called Model for Video. Let's bring in another tab, and that's the mountains. So I'll go to File, Open, click on your mountains and bring them in. Now we've got two tabs. So now we've got the mountain tab, and if I click over here, and I'll go ahead and turn on my model again, I've got my model. So we need to combine these two tabs. So what you want to do is go to Window, Arrange, Tile All Vertically. Now we can see both of those tabs independently. And we're going to drag the mountains onto the Model tab. I'll need my Move tool, and I need to hold down the Alt button. So go ahead and hold on to the Alt button, drag it over, and then release. Let's try that again. Hold down the Alt button and drag it over and release. There we go. So we're done with the mountains. We can just close that tab up. And last we need to do is just grab this new layer, drag it to the top, and let's rename it Mountains. We're going to have a lot of layers on this. So having your layers named will make a huge difference. Plus, it's required.